As you can see guys, we are on to another topic, and today's topic is going to be on creating shipping plan. So guys, I will be showing you how you can create your shipping plan. So let's get right into this. Firstly, you have to log into your Seller Central account. Then you have to go to Inventory tab and select Manage Inventory. And after you come to Manage Inventory tab, you have to choose which product listing you want to send your inventory to. So for example, let me show you guys. As I choose this one, and you have to select this button, then you have to choose send or replenish inventory. And guys, as you come here to this here comes the option of creating a new shipping plan or adding to existing plan. And here comes once ship from button that you have to put your address where you want to ship your products from. This means you have to put your address of your supplier here guys, full address of your supplier. And as you come here, and you have to choose this packing type. So guys, if your product consists of different variation and you are sending it in one box, then you have to choose individual products. But if you have only one variation and you are sending this in more than one carton, then you have to choose case packed products. You can check it out from here guys. And as we finish this filling this box, we have to come here and continue to our shipping plan. And as you click on the tab, you will come here to this page, and here you have to add your product that you want to for, and in here information required. You have to put how many units you will be ordering from your supplier. And guys, you have to click on the continue button after filling this form. For example, let's assume you are ordering 1000 units, and you have to select on the continue button down below. And after filling that one, you'll come here to this prepare products page, and here you have to choose. You have to choose nothing, but you have to only choose this tab, who prepares. Then you have to choose merchant, because you are ordering your products from your supplier and they will be putting all the barcodes and all, so you have to choose merchant for this. Apply to who prepares button. One thing guys that I forgot to mention you is preparation guidance. What you have to do is you have to choose no preparation required for this one. If you are selling like liquids, glasses, or if you are selling something like apparel, fabric, then you have to choose according to this one. But mainly most of the products require no preparation required. So as we choose no preparation required, and we have to select the choose button. And after clicking on the continue button, you will come here on the print label process. So it will be shown label products. So as you come here, you have to choose print label for this page. As you can add a quantity of your printing, that how many SKUs do you need. For example, if you have 1000 quantity, then you will be needing 1000 labels. And here on this page you can print labels for this page. As I click here, you can see it will be downloaded here, and this is the barcode that you have to give it to your supplier, and he will stick it on your product guys. You will be only needing this barcode to stick on your product guys. No any else barcode is needed, only this barcode as you download here. And if you open this one, you will know what this looks like, and you will only needing to send this barcode to your supplier. No else barcode is needed other than box labels. So guys, I'll show you how you can print your box labels too. And after hitting that continue button, you will come here to this page, and this is a shipment ID, and you have to approve and continue, guys. And guys, after you approve and continue, you will come to work on shipment page, and you have to click on work on shipment, and as you click on that button, you will come here to this page, review shipment contents. This is the last process of shipping plan, guys. So you have to choose if you have less than truckload, then you have to choose less than truckload. Then this one, I'm shipping pallets, shipment at least of 150 lb, then you have to choose this one. And if you're sending only a small, around 3 to 4 cartons of your orders, then you have to choose this one. Mainly you have to choose this small parcel delivery, as you don't buy around near to truck container load, so you have to choose small parcel delivery, guys. And you have to choose your carrier service that your supplier sends from. So if your supplier is sending from this FedEx, then you have to click on the FedEx Corporation. Then if your supplier is sending your orders from FedEx Ground, then you have to choose FedEx Ground. If is sending from DHL, then you have to choose DSL. This carrier is required because you have to track your order after you ship your supplier ships your order from China. So this is required for that purpose. And as you come down here, then you have to choose this one. Please select an option, how will this shipment be packed. If your order consists in only one box, then you have to choose everything in one box. If you have more than one box, then you have to choose multiple boxes. As for example, let's choose everything in one box. And after clicking that everything in one box, so you have to choose your box weight and your box dimensions. You have to put your exact box weight and box dimension. You can ask this to your supplier, guys, and send them tell them to send you the correct exact information. So after confirming, for example, let's say 5 lb and 12 and 24, and let's confirm. And after you confirm, guys, you have to scroll down and come to this shipping labels page, and this is the barcode that you will be needing to paste on your box, outside of box, guys. So send this barcode to your supplier, and he will paste it for you. And as you print box labels, after it get downloaded, you have to send it to your supplier. And after finishing this box label, then you have to complete your shipment. And it's all that, guys. So guys, hope you guys got example how you can create a shipping plan, guys. So I will see you in my next video.